In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw dogs to the Bitget exchange. By following these steps, you will successfully initiate a withdrawal process for your dog. Begin by navigating to the Bitget exchange website. Once the page loads, you should see the main trading interface. Ensure that the website is fully loaded before proceeding to the next step. Next, locate and click on the Beyond Crypto option. This control is typically found on the main navigation bar. After you click it, the interface will refresh, displaying additional options related to your account. After that, find and click on your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Make sure this menu appears before you continue. Following that, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. The settings screen will open, allowing you to configure various aspects of your account. Wait for the settings page to load completely. Once this appears, click on Dashboard from the left sidebar. This will redirect you to your account dashboard, where you can see an overview of your assets and account activity. Next, locate and click on Assets on the dashboard. This section displays all your holdings. Ensure that you can see your asset list before moving on. Now click on Withdraw to initiate the withdrawal process. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter details regarding your withdrawal. Confirm that this window is visible before proceeding. Then click on the Withdraw button again to start the withdrawal setup. This will take you to the withdrawal form specific to the asset you wish to withdraw. At this point, click on Select a Coin. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose which cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Ensure that you see the list of coins displayed. Next, click on USDT from the list. This selection is important as it will lead you to the specific withdrawal options for USDT. Wait for the system to update and display the next options. Type in dogs in the search bar provided. This action filters the available tokens, making it easier to find doge. Once you see dogs listed, you can proceed. After that, click on dogs from the filtered results. This selection confirms that you want to withdraw dog tokens specifically. Ensure that you have selected the correct token before moving on. Now, click on Select Recipient. This will open a new section where you can specify the recipient of your withdrawal. Verify that this section is now active. Next, click on On-Chain to choose the type of transaction. This option typically appears in the recipient selection area. Confirm that the On-Chain option is available before proceeding. Once this is done, click on Select Network. You will need to choose the network through which the withdrawal will be processed. Wait for the network options to load. Now, click on TSC20 as an example of the network you want to use. This selection is crucial for ensuring that your transaction is processed correctly. Make sure the confirmation appears before you continue. Following that, click on Withdrawal Address to enter the address where your dog tokens will be sent. Ensure that you have the correct address ready for input. Now, click on Next to review your withdrawal details. This will typically take you to a confirmation screen where you can double check your transaction information. Finally, make sure to review all details carefully before completing the transaction. Once you are satisfied, proceed with the withdrawal process as indicated on the screen.